Okay, what's up? Morning everyone, welcome to the vlog. This is the trip to Santorini vlog. This is the first time I'm doing a travel vlog, so let's see how this goes. It was actually supposed to be in Santorini from yesterday, but due to a series of unfortunate events, I didn't fill out a form in time. We didn't get to go, so today we're having to go. There's no direct flights to Santorini, so going to Athens and then, look, let's not get into that right now, let's just get started. I'm gonna quickly have a protein shake and then get in the Uber and get going, and then, you know, let this thing really start. Okay, so we just got here. Haven't seen inside yet, but the view is kind of insane. This is like the balcony area. There's a hot tub there. It's so peaceful. I don't even really want to shout or anything, but it is. This is well. Whoa, dude. All right, let's take a look inside. Oh wow, inside is lovely too. This is so pretty. It's me, it's me. Anyway, this isn't about me. It's like, I deliberately picked the stone one. Like I could have gone for a super modern hotel, but like this cave stone thing they've got going on is so pretty, I think. Let's look at the bar shower. So I don't think we're really giving it the recognition it deserves. I'm so happy. Okay, so basically we just got in and it was an absolutely knackered. Showered, because you know once you get off the flight, you sort that stuff out. Just quickly gonna pop to the supermarket and grab something to eat. But I haven't really dressed up. I kind of took my stuff out, which I don't always do when I'm on holiday. Just because I can't really bother. But I need to be able to see what I have, so I know what outfit to put on. So today, right now, it's just jeans. This Zara kind of racer top thing. And these shoes. Oh, and I'm gonna wear, where's my bag? With it. This also a little bag that I got from Zara. So, sorry, you can't see it otherwise. I got the grilled shrimp. It comes with some rice.
Amazing, thank you.
And a little bit of vegetables. Okay, so they just served us our breakfast. The view is still beautiful and I'm knackered. But this is it. So this is my outfit. It's like this kind of jumpsuity thing. Sorry, don't mind the mess. Play suit, that's what these things are called. It's nice, but the inability to wear a bra is kind of annoying. Oh, look at that. Guys, come on. We love to see the definition from June. But yeah, I'll get some nicer pictures as I go out. And again, this little bag from Zara, so boom, let's go. Just, you know what, every time I see this, it's nuts. It's insane. This is a geographer's dream. Honestly. I'm a geographer in case you didn't know. Right, so food is here. I ordered this, I think it's beef souvlaki, which is a Greek thing, a Greek dish, so I'll try that. And I have the fried calamari, which I had yesterday.
Don't forget the Kale Royale.
Oh, of course. My new favourite drink. Not really that new, is it? Okay, so today, going on a boat, kind of a tour of some of the other islands around here and the volcano. So that should be really cute. It's like a sunset tour that ends in Oya. How do you pronounce that? I think it's Oya. Which is, I think, famous for like the domes, the blue domes and the white houses. So that's going to be cute. We should get cute pictures. I think you can actually jump off and swim in the hot springs by a volcano. I don't know if I'm going to do that because I can't swim. Oh, I can swim. Wait, first I can swim. I can't swim above water. I can only swim underneath, and I don't want to get my hair wet. And I think people think this is a scam. I don't know how people hold their head up and swim. Like sunset now, so it's really nice. We had a bite to eat, but I forgot to vlog that. But it was okay. It was okay. So now I don't know how much longer we're here for, but it's just chilling. It's just nice. The sun's setting. I didn't really get any shots in this outfit, so I'm gonna wear it again to get some proper shots in it. Because it is cute. Okay, so it's evening time. We're gonna go out for dinner. I'm wearing this dress from House of CB with these shoes from June and this bag that I picked up in Santorini. Yeah, that's it. I'll show you the place when we get to it. I haven't done much there other than chill and take pictures, which you'll see on the grams. Don't start. Okay, so we're at the restaurant now. It's quite windy up here, but it's actually stunning. It's absolutely stunning. This isn't the last minute when we go to a different restaurant, and then, I don't know, I just had a feeling that I wanted to go somewhere else, and being out here, and it's delightful. So, I'll just show you guys it if I haven't shown you already, but the restaurant's called what? Throubi? Throubi. It's part of like a huge resort. I'll show you. Pan-fried scallops, which actually look fantastic. What did you get?
Sea bass ceviche.
Right, that one. But yeah, that's just one more time for the view because the sun's setting now. Oh wow, that's incredible. Okay, so today's Friday and we're about to go do our PCR test so we can get home, and then I think we're going to go to Oya and, you know, take some cute pictures, see the place, eat some good food. And this is what I'm wearing today. I think this is from Shein, I want to say. It was the first time I've ordered from them, but to be honest, I was quite impressed. And I really wanted to try one of these dresses, but the House of CB one is like £200, and I'm not paying £200 for a dress like this that I don't even know if I'm gonna like yet. So But also this is just really cute and fits well because it's really tight around the waisters. And I've got these shoes that I love and this little bag that I bought here. So yeah. Okay, so this place is the Pacman restaurant in Oya, and it has a sushi menu and then a Greek menu. So the sushi menu is like not just sushi actually. There's just some Japanese classics like wagyu, black miso or black cod miso. So I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. Do you like tempura shrimps? Okay, so I got lamb chops and these potatoes. It looks so good. And this is some homemade ketchup of sorts. Oh, that looks so good. Look at this. So that's not mine, but that's bay steak. That seafood risotto. I got sea bass and the calamari that I always get. Let's have new cheese. Bless them, they're so lovely upstairs. I think it's probably because we've been so much and it's off season. They give us a little cheeky bottle, which is honestly they're actually lovely here. I'll leave their information in the description if anyone's interested in visiting them when they come. But the food looks great and it's been great so far. The service is fantastic. So okay, so today's our last day. We're going tomorrow, and we literally again just chilled in the hot tub, just chilled around in the sun, soaking up some last minute sun. Oh, I look good in this. Damn. And now we just went out to take some last minute pictures in this outfit here, which again you'll see on the gram. And maybe we're just gonna get some drinks and enjoy for our final. I'm not really hungry because we ate so much at lunch. Like, you saw the food, that was a lot. So if we go somewhere, I'll check in on you there and let you know what it's like. I'm gonna try and put the places that we visited on this trip in the description bar. Don't know if I'm gonna get everywhere, but I'll try. I have to shout out, I think I've said it already, but the restaurant by where we live, where we're staying, is just great. Service is great. Food, lunch was so delicious, I couldn't eat it all. But yeah, let me show you this sunset before the sun goes down as well. Okay, so it's time to go. It's the final day. Well, it's actually not the final day. It's home time that day. Our flight's at around 7 p.m. Just 5 to 7. So we've got to check out now. It's 1. We had a bit of a late checkout, which was nice. I'm out of breath, sorry. I'm out of breath. So it's just one time for this fantastic scene. Yeah, we're gonna go up to the restaurant and eat some food at my favourite place. Because I'm starving and it's lunchtime and I'm not really a fan of... I don't know what's at the airport actually, there might be stuff I like, but I don't know. Anyway, it's time to eat now. And then, I don't know, just chill. Make our way to the airport probably for about 4, so 3 hours before our flight, about 3:34. And then yeah, back to the United Kingdom to quarantine. Well, I don't have to go in the quarantine hotels because I'm in Greece, which is on the amber list. Quarantine at home, you do have to do 2 and 8 day test, so you have to pay for that, which is about another roughly say £100. So I won't lie, traveling in the pandemic is not cheap. But for me, like, it's a calculation of what's more valuable to me, my time or my money. Time or money, and time is always more valuable. Like, money is, you can get that back, right? You can work hard, you can do whatever, you can ultimately get it back. But my youth is my youth. Y'all, my youth is my youth. Tomorrow's bank holiday, which is really nice. That means I'm not going straight back to work. That's toilet long. So yeah, that's all that's really been going on.